And now, yeah.
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Yes. Hello,
Well-
Alexei.
Oh, my name is Alexei. What's your name?
My name is Andrei.
Andrei. Okay, nice to meet you, Andrei. First time.
Yeah.
First time we're
No, never
together
seen
in
this
one
guy.
place, in one
Oh.
camera. But we meet each other previously.
Really?
At New Year. You was
You hadn't glasses.
yeah.
Okay,
something changed.
that's why.
But you was with beard. The same.
Oh, okay. That's probably a root cause why I don't remember.
No, not with beer, but with how it's called, bird.
with bird. Okay.
Bird.
Bird, that's what is the fly outside.
Oh, okay. This is front spot English lessons.
Yes.
But why we decided to meet today with you together?
We just wanted to cry a little bit about AI.
Mm,
Yes.
AI.
It's in-
AI. And this is how we call it?
Prompt happens.
Prompt happens.
Yeah. ChatGPT suggested us
Yeah.
this name.
This name, it's the best ever name. It's useful. It's you can repeat it. You can remember it, memorize it. Prompt happens. Prompt happens. Remember, guys, prompt happens on a front spot live every week now with us. Also, we are going to connect different locations in Poland to, and potentially not only from Poland, because we
Let's
are
see.
on a front spot global channel, and we have Balkans. We have
Let's not promise too much.
okay.
That's the first minutes of our new podcast. So
First 2 minutes already.
let's cross the fingers.
Yeah.
Hope everything will be fine. But yeah, we already promised a lot of locations, and
But what we are going to do
Regularity.
here?
we are going to do discuss a little bit our week with
Our
AI.
week with AI.
Yeah, something
what
like this.
happened? Okay.
Okay.
But what's it? Is it something different? What you see any videos with AI on YouTube?
Oh,
Do you
actually a
subscribe
lot.
on someone?
No,
No.
no.
Why? Because it's a full shit.
No.
Why?
Because everything is the same.
Yeah, everything is the same.
Yes.
And everyone told you that you need to use AI.
Prompt better,
Yeah.
live faster,
Yeah.
solve more tasks.
Yeah. And create your own SaaS every day.
Um,
One day, one SaaS.
Not SaaS, learn new agent every day.
New agent.
No, not agent, new model. Yes, new model.
Fable,
Mm,
GPT,
I thought
So-
Fable is something like a Storytale,
Storytel.
isn't it?
No,
Yeah.
no. They already released.
Ah, that's a model name. Okay. Great.
Fable. Oh, Fable. It's a game. Yeah. No?
Yeah, and that's a
But I
book
didn't
of
play it.
stories,
Book
like
of- okay.
this. That's the name of the book of stories.
Then it's all myth. Yeah.
yeah.
Mythos. Do you
Mythos.
know
Yes.
anything about Mythos?
I thought that Opus was very popular, but now it's Fable, right?
Yeah.
They started from Opus and now it's a Fable.
Yeah.
Okay, and the fairy tale next time.
Next time it will be Mythos.
Mythos,
Yeah.
you think?
Yeah.
About
It's
Zeus and
something-
so on?
Okay. Nice. Nice start. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Then, yeah, how was your week with AI?
Oh,
What you did
mm,
this week with AI?
I spent 40 hours this week.
40 hours.
Yes,
It's like
yes.
you're working
Full week.
full week.
Sometimes even without a dinner.
Mhm.
Just to migrate, just to provide a painless way to migrate for my colleagues from Angular 20 to Angular 22 and not break everything in their projects.
Okay, you created, like, you don't migrate.
No. So on our project we have a kind of shell library which aggregates a lot of different plugins, which is different projects, and the owners of these projects work separately. And we decided to migrate our full ecosystem from Angular 20 to Angular 22, and we needed to migrate this shell and provide a way.
It's
like
a micro front ends.
Yes,
No,
like
okay.
automated migration script to the teams, so they run just our CLI, type npm like upgrade, and they have fully migrated library without any painful and so on. So,
but with micro front ends, you don't need to migrate all of the front ends. You just you can keep their version and you just migrate.
That's
one by
about.
one.
Yeah, they will migrate one by one, but our target in general in our project, so migrate everything to Angular 22 till the end of the Q3.
But like you just need to type something for AI migrate, and that is all.
No.
Fable, for example.
I ask. That's not only my work, so I did it with my colleagues. So we just created a migration script that works with our CLI, and we use it a lot of AI. To be honest, to test everything, to check the problems
script,
and so on.
Like you type npm, as you mentioned, npm run upgrade, and you run just node space index.js.
Something like that.
And this is a script.
Yes.
And this script will call AI under the hood.
No.
No? Okay.
No. That's script generated by AI. Like this.
You utilize AI to create migration script for migrating from Angular 20 to Angular 14.
Yes, and holds some common cases, issues, and so on.
But it should be done by Angular. They should provide you a script with migration rules.
In the ideal world, yes. But they and TypeScript created some breaking changes in their logic, which is not suit each repository who want to migrate. So in the ideal world, yes, but to be honest, from my past experience, I didn't have any migration from one framework version to another, which will be simple and without any issues. So in this case, they use new TypeScript version, which is really more strict in comparison with the previous one. So in our case, we expected a lot of issues with the template, a lot of issues with the types checks, which is more stricter now. And you can postpone it definitely, but this is a like temporary workaround from TypeScript team. In the next versions of TypeScript, it will be deprecated. Also, they changed
TypeScript version. You mean the last one, 7?
Yes.
Okay.
And for example, they also deprecate base URL attribute. It uses for resolve your dependencies across your repository. So it's like a base path where systems start looking for the dependencies.
Oh my God, you dive so deeper in all of this stuff. For me, this base URL, I usually type Fable, could you please create the component and create this
yes, but
template and that is all.
But when you already have ecosystem with the components, templates, and so on, you should work very safe to not to break everything. And that's the reason why. So
but why
I needed to remove some parameter from the TypeScript config. Everything is fail, and I know that I need to fix it properly, but I cannot keep everything as it is because it's a tech debt, and in the end somebody will need to fix it. And if we have a big migration, so it's better to cover as much as possible to not to interrupt teams in the future. So for example, one migration from my perspective better than 3 migration one by
one migration. Okay, but first of all, I confused with the whole idea that Angular is still alive.
I confused that someone used React when we have Angular. I don't know what's wrong with the people.
Okay, 1-1. Next, I confused that someone pay for migration from one Angular to another one. I mean, why didn't it migrate? It works. Angular 12 works with old TypeScript. Everything is great.
Yes.
And someone decided to pay 40 hours for developer. How much it will cost? 5K to 2 till 5K, let's imagine, yeah? Dollars,
I don't
not
know.
Polish zlotys.
Oh.
But anyway, like
Okay.
some
Probably
some
it's a
amount.
secret, but yeah, okay, some money.
Some money. Someone decided to pay some money to migration, which also can provide a huge impact on the production, because like
Yeah.
nobody know what you migrated.
Okay.
And, yeah, you need
Okay.
to
So
test it.
several key points that we can highlight here.
Yeah.
So as I already mentioned, we have a lot of teams
Mhm.
in our project and a
Okay.
lot of different different, let's say, repos
Mhm.
who should be migrated. So better to pay one developer in comparison with just scale it across the teams, and each team will face with similar problems. We'll try to solve it.
Agree, but still, like,
Okay, another
12
thing.
works.
Yes, another thing. It's about support of changes. So probably you have some kind of white source scan on your project, right? And
Okay.
it fails with some issues.
Maintainability, okay.
And usually libraries support couple of latest versions. And probably, as we previously migrated 1 year ago, it was Angular 20. I guess in a year it will be, let's say, Angular 24, and they will just drop support of this version, and it will be much more painful to migrate 4 version higher in comparison to what we have.
I got it. This is potentially it's a great idea that we still need developers here, because like all of this stuff, I don't think that a regular project manager will think about migration from 12 to 14 because of what? Like everything works, and project manager don't know that in the future they will not maintain it, and you still need to update.
I would say, actually, they know. It's not a big deal to Google and check what is the supported version.
But let's imagine
just
you are
compare.
just a project manager,
Yes.
yeah, or
Okay.
you, for example, delivery manager, and you already delivered something.
Okay.
And you will not Google anything about updates. You are with the project, and you just run with this project. You need to set up Snyk, which will tell you that this version is outdated. Please update it. Yeah.
It sounds like we have Huddle's chicken, and it's still able to run.
Yes.
But don't see anything.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
This is my idea. Maybe
nice
I'm
comparison with the project manager. I like it.
Oh my god, guys! I really enjoy with all of the project managers. It's really the most important, one of the most important.
And enjoy with headless chickens.
But this is important profession on a project manager,
Yeah,
which
definitely.
control everything and which help you to with all of these plans, which you can discuss with the AI. Oh my god. Okay, then we can summarize that the idea is that at the end we just need developers. We don't need anyone else.
No.
Okay. Someone told you.
Okay, let's see the big picture of any product, right?
Okay.
Somebody have money.
Yeah, investor, for example. Yeah.
And he wants to be a nice guy, wants more money, and wants to spend some money, and wants to do something with the I forget the word when you should pay some money for government because you have money
with taxes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So all of this, he needs to do something with it, and he decided to create a product where he can spend some money, earn more money, and maybe reduce
more
taxes.
Reduce. Okay, but
pay and reduce. Yeah, but you can hide some money in your startup. Nobody will know. Okay. So yeah, also all this stuff.
This is not suggestion.
When you have zero salary, but you're richest man in the world, like Elon Musk, for example. Yeah, you know all of this, right?
My child usually told me that, you know, Elon Musk, he is the most famous and he have a lot of money. And
he asked why we don't live outside in our own city.
Yeah, This is also.
If you're also a programmer.
This is also a question, but he don't understand that this is not all of his money. Like this is his company, his stock, which he cannot sell. Like all of these stocks, he cannot sell at once, and he cannot.
Yeah,
get
okay,
it.
but
Yeah.
you create a startup,
Mhm.
it comes to IPO actions
Mhm.
and so on, and you have more money,
Okay.
can get more credits,
Mhm.
so on. You understand,
Where
right?
is the project manager here?
So yeah,
You need it.
you don't want to dive too much there. You have a money, and
Product
that's
owner. Product owner.
it. No,
Project manager. Just
company director, CEO.
company. Okay. SEO. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I just want to spend my time to understand where I want to spend my money and how to earn them. After that, I need some people who should do it properly, because I don't want to like see with my best friend Jeff Bezos discuss and he say, "Oh, okay, you did a piece of cake."
Who is your best friend?
Let's imagine I'm Elon Musk.
Okay.
It's a comparison because I don't have enough money to create my own company, so this
Okay.
is just
Okay.
senseless discussion then.
Okay.
And so, okay, they sit together and they say, okay,
Mhm.
your company is a piece of cake. And Musk asks why, and Bezos say, "Oh, because your product useless." So to not to be in this situation, I need somebody who understand how everything works, but don't have enough money to create its own project.
CEO
For example, yeah.
and CTO.
Yes, but not all people want to spend whole day in their work, right? They have life, so on. So they need somebody who will work. Yes.
Product owner and
Okay.
developers.
Yes. Product owner also don't want to spend all time.
Oh my god.
And don't want to understand how it should
Oh my
be,
God,
what
okay.
is the right source, who is the DevOps, why we need to subscription to Amazon, for example, and so on. So we need developers who will do all this stuff, and if something will fail, you can I don't know, call to developer and say this is his fault.
Okay,
That's why.
I will tell you what I did this week. Not this week, previous week.
Okay, so this week you did nothing.
A couple of weeks ago. No, I did.
Week is started. Okay, sorry.
I wanted to discuss another topic, but you mentioned all of this stuff, and now I cannot.
Focus on the topic.
Yeah,
That's because of the
have,
chick.
Yeah, I have another one.
Okay.
I tried BMAT. Do you know what is it?
BMAT.
BMAT.
Math like science.
MAD.
Mad.
Med. BMAT.
BMAT.
Yeah.
It's about a mood.
Better made architecture design.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is a tool. What you need exactly for, like, you are Elon Musk. Let's imagine, yeah.
Like it.
Yeah, and and you would like to set up your own project. In this case, this BMAT, it's some framework which provide you with.
No. It sounds like I need to work.
No, you don't need to work. You just type in. You open your favorite.
Type and it's also work.
Okay, you can ask someone to type.
Okay, and it's already similar to
this
company.
is a SEO. Let's imagine it will be SEO. This SEO will type that I would like to have this product.
Okay.
Ask all of your agents to make a research, then to provide a plan, and then to implement this plan. Okay. And they start working.
Agents.
Agents, yeah.
Great.
In this BMAT framework, you have the approach when they will create a memory for you. Every step will be documented, and at the end of the research, you will have some research document. Then they will call project managers, they will call architecture, someone from architecture, developers, and also possible QA. And you can discuss, or you can tell them to discuss it in their own group. And they will discuss it together, one by one, the whole product. Architect will provide architecture for you, and document architecture.md will appear, and you then can check what is in architecture. Like, I mean, you still can have people in a loop, human in a loop. Someone can check all of this documentation. Then after architecture was created, and you can ask to stop after architecture created to check this architecture, but who take care about all of this architecture? Like, they prepare the architecture, that is all. Now you can ask them to prepare the plan. And here project manager agent will jump into, create, it will be a sprint planning where he can discuss it with developer in case if there is some problem with description of the task or whatever. He can ask the developer to help him, and they create different epics. After this epics, he will split epic on the stories, and at the end you will have for the whole product such amount of epics divided by stories. Do you know what else?
Very interesting. Can't imagine. But all this good.
Yeah.
But
I tried it.
We have a couple of problems here.
Yes, we
First
still have
problem.
problems.
Okay, you're right. This mushroom was poisoned, but I can suggest you a good pills for this.
A good pills?
Yes.
Okay.
And the second thing, if you use AI more than a couple of hours in your life, you should be faced with hallucinations of AI. And in such amount of work, I guess, where you have a lot of agents who discuss between what we do, I guess the risk is very high. And second thing is the cost of tokens, because your context will be ridiculously big.
Agree. The context will not be big because of memory. Like, you save after every agent, you have artifact. Just MD file. It can be, yes, it can be for 1,000 lines, but still, like, this is not a huge this is not the whole context. You still have
all this good, but I thought that it should simplify my life. But what I heard now, it's just became more complicated for me as CCO, right?
No, you at the end you can see in 1 week you can see the product, and you can check whether this product align with your vision. You need to be a part of the process. In this case, the product will be more predictable for you.
Okay.
But you also can ask to check some MVP for you, prepare MVP for half of week, and check what will be at the end of the half of week. Okay, this is a real. This I checked it on a real example.
Yeah,
I have some project, my pet project. It's already live, and for this pet project,
good time to promote it. Tell us the name.
No, I cannot.
We need to use it.
No. It's
Is it related to pets?
No, let's don't talk about it. Anyway, there is a project, and I hosted it on Vercel.
Okay.
And part of this project is CMS, headless CMS in Contentful.
Headless CMS.
Yeah, headless CMS Contentful. SaaS service provide you with you can save content there, and then you can
I know
fetch
what
it.
is it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
The problem was that I already migrated to upgrade my plan on a Vercel for $20 because the traffic was increased. And in this case, I realized that my headless Contentful was attacked, and there were a lot of requests. And I need to do with it something, because next tier for this CMS was $300, and like, I don't want to pay for it, and I still have Vercel. Like, why I should pay for Vercel and also for CMS? Like, I can save everything on a Vercel, and I need just take all of my assets from CMS and on a build time migrated to Vercel. This
Okay.
was idea of new feature. And I asked this BMAT approach to prepare for me and to implement this plan. I was in a loop.
Mhm.
I called it like create me a new release strategy where I will take off control of the whole release. I will know what I release, why I release, like create it for me. After the week, it was created.
Mhm.
But I just wasn't there in the process, and I didn't check the whole architecture. I didn't check the whole. I didn't check any epics, stories, whatever. I just asked to create. It was created, but it was like rocket science. It was really rocket where I need to spend 2 hours on the release process. I just wanted to have one additional function on a build time where I will go to CMS, take all of the assets, and host it on a Vercel. This is only one function. And AI created for me the whole release process, like 2 hours of releases, where I need to confirm release that I expected, where I checked content, what I want to release, where I checked like new code, and I need to sign in.
I think I understand what is the problem with your previous question about why we need all these people if we have already CO with the MED.
Yeah.
Okay. All what you describe right now, it's just your vision of how everything works, and you know what to ask and what to expect because you have some experience with it.
Yes.
But let's imagine that you don't know anything about the application, its release process, prevent of
But
attacking, and
SCO
so on.
will know it.
Why?
SCO and
How you can
CTO,
guarantee?
they should know all of
Why?
this. But as CTO, it's a technical person, and SCO is a manager who should know all of these processes. He can
Okay.
create it, and this is
So,
how.
but we're in the real world, right?
Yeah.
I don't think that the word should in general in the real world should be applied to anybody else except you.
One more time.
Okay,
I didn't
so
get an
you
idea.
say they should know.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
but
I will hire.
in the real
I will
world, I
hire.
guess you cannot commit on the people because they should do something or should know something.
Yes, but I
If they
should
work in
hire
this
the
place,
person.
it doesn't mean that they know what they do.
But I will interview them. And okay,
If
in
you
general,
know what they
in general, I am talking not about Elon Musk, but I am talking about all of this YouTube video where everyone told you that SaaS is possible in one day. First of all, it's not possible in
Okay.
one day. And then the problem,
those people who know how to learn English in 3 hours, right?
yeah, the
great.
same, or C++ in 21 days. It's possible.
Too long. 3 days, I heard.
Anyway, it's possible, but real problem that you still need be in the loop. Someone still should be in the loop to check where
Yes, but it's too risky just to think that one person will handle all this stuff.
But this is how AI engineers works. They at the end they need to review a couple of points, and that is all.
Okay, but let's think about, I guess, concurrency in the world. You cannot predict that your AI engineer sounds a bit okay. Let's say, let it be. I don't want to say that we don't have AI engineers, so let's say okay. So you cannot predict that you AI engineer who built whole this system, and okay, let's see that for him it's a black box, but at least he know what he asked, what was the result, and iterations, so on. Something, at least abstract information about the product. And let's imagine tomorrow he will die.
Next AI engineer with the whole, like, you create a context. This BMAT help you. It's not just something.
Okay,
you give and you get the product. You will have a context.
He was bought by another company,
Yeah.
and you need to solve everything today because you was attacked. You have a lot of clients right now. They lose money. They call you, hello, Alexey, we need to do something right now.
No, but in this case, like you need to pay for this AI engineer.
That's
You
about
need to keep
risks.
him. Yes, yeah.
So you cannot just bet on one person.
Yes, absolutely. But this is a kind of story where we just introduce AI engineer. But in general, we can create AI company where we are going to have AI engineers who will set up the processes.
But you still cannot have the flat system in your AI company. You should still have hierarchy. Hierarchy.
Yes.
So
I agree. Potentially, yes.
Yeah, but and what will be the difference from the real companies now? Everybody use AI. Now
The difference will
already.
be that AI engineer will set up the process.
Okay.
He will not set up a code base or whatever. He set up the process how to do it. And like next time, I will tell you the story about.
Promising again.
Yeah, we will be in next chapter.
Is it a hack for?
No, but this is about processes. Like you now, and for me, this is the most difficult for engineer, because previously I thought about code, yeah, and my focus was on deliver best quality with all of this solid, with all of this stuff. But now I need to think about processes and how to set up these processes. And it's not about leading the team, because someone can tell that, okay, team leaders will alive because they know how to set up the processes, they know how to set up the team. No, it's not how to set up like regular processes. It's how to set up AI process, how to set up this whole band of AI agents, which will solve problems for you.
That's great, but you still need to review the result.
Yes,
someone should review.
And this is what.
And that's why you need somebody who understands what's going on in the code base and so on.
Yes, I don't tell you that we will fire all of the developers, but we should change the mindset to AI engineers. And this is what.
How we came to this point, at least.
I don't know. This is what I was a couple of weeks ago working on. That is why
fired people.
Not fired people, but but this problem in general, like I guess almost all of the developers right now feel some pain or they worried about this situation that AI can fire them.
No, definitely no. It's a
agree
fairy tale.
Maybe right now I don't know. I don't want to commit in all of this stuff because it's like this is an ongoing process right now. I don't know what will be at the end. But one more time, what Claude shared on their previous conference, that they still hired engineers, but the process a little bit different. They can release feature and can check it not immediately, but this is kind of you set up new branch of your product, and in a half of week, in a couple of days, you can see a new prototype of your feature. Like they integrated it in the product, and they can see this branch with this feature and how it works.
Yes, but it's in general about not the replacement of people. Just your stack is growing. So I guess the biggest mistake in general when we talk about AI, think that we can just type something, do it, and AI will do. It's not working like that. you still need some custom agents, some MCPs,
Yes.
some rules to your
Yes.
AI agents.
Yes.
You still need
Yes.
to create a correct prompt. You
Yes.
still need to understand the architecture of your
Yes.
application, at least from the high level.
Yes.
And this is just
But you
like a
switched from
tool.
language. Previously, the main and the important part of any hiring process in, for example, in outsource. I know that
I
in
think
in a
hiring
big
process
companies,
it's in general another story.
but let's say in Monk, yeah, in a company like Meta, they usually on interview they interviewed software developer, which
yes.
don't specify the language. In some outsourced companies, they usually hire JavaScript engineer, front-end engineer, back-end engineer, Java engineer. Like
Okay.
they never think about like software engineer which will solve the problem because they need to solve a client problem right now in this technology, and this more suitable way to solve it.
I guess no, that's not because of that. But
No,
at
okay.
least from my point of view, because
Mhm.
a outsourced company wants to create a pack of people
Yes, yeah.
and solve it.
It's a reason. Like
So in this pack, you already know the roles that
Yes.
should be covered,
Yeah.
and that's easy
But
to
this
hire
is
somebody for this role because it's a product that they sold, and big tech work just in a bit different model, I guess, because they need to someone who will solve the unpredictable problem. I would say.
Okay.
Because and this is the difference, and that's why they want a pure engineer who have engineer mindset. And the outsource company can agree. Sometimes I don't want to say that it's always like this, but they can agree with the monkey who can just create a form.
Yeah, but this is you're talking about reason. But nowadays, even for this one company, you don't need language, and you don't need this. Okay,
At least some language to solve the first task.
It's in English. You need English.
No. I mean, there will be a problem. I don't know if you tried already to pass the interview, but
algorithms.
There will be algorithm task, yeah, and you need to know some language, at least one. I don't know Python.
I still don't know why. I still don't know why. Because at regular work, you don't need language right now. You need domains, you need software design, you need architecture skill, you need projects, some kind of project
That's actually
skills.
a very, very simple answer. If one day you will be without all these instruments and tools, so will you be able to solve the problem? Yes.
Without, but let's imagine a couple of years ago, we also talked about internet in the same way. Like, what we are going to do without internet? But nowadays,
how
it's already...
you can prove that you're able?
What I will able?
So you come into the interview and you need to prove that you're able to solve the problem. How?
Software design. Software design, problem solving, like
yes,
potentially maybe managerial stuff.
That's a mistake about your okay, how to say it? Let's imagine that all people live in the circle of people that they interact with, and the biggest mistake is think that all the people in general the same as the people in your circle.
Yeah.
So it means that, for example, you're talking with nice people, nice developers. You know that like they're experienced developers. You also experienced developer, and you come into the interview and think, okay, why didn't we start from the software architecture design or something like that? Why should I spend time to algorithmic task? But next people who will come to them will be not from your cycle, and if they will start from architecture design, it can be like good storytale from him, but if they will hire him, it can be a big fail where they will lost money.
You don't need
because
algorithm anymore.
But yes, but how to prove that you experienced engineer? How to
you
prove your
try with
experience.
algorithm, you
No,
try
no.
to check
Way
that
of
this
think.
person
How to prove that you have some way of think.
in a software design.
Okay.
Make 2 interviews with software design. Like, let's first
So
discuss some.
you want just to replace the whole process to two software design instead of algorithms plus software design.
Potentially,
But
yeah.
what will be the difference?
The difference will be that we need to check that person knows domain
Okay.
in what we are going to work. Will be healthcare, will it be commerce, will it be educational stuff or financial stuff? You need to know domain. And second one, you need to check that person know how to build products, know how to create, how to ask AI and validate that AI will build some awesome for the company.
Okay.
You like last time okay.
Yes, but in general, all these algorithmic tasks, it's okay. Good algorithmic task. It's not just a pure task from CodeWars, for example, or a lead code.
But usually
it should.
Usually
Don't
it's from
agree, to be honest, if we talk about big tech companies, but
they
okay,
also
it depends on the interviewer.
Mhm.
But in general, I guess good task, it's something just wrapped of this lead code problem, and the idea that you should decouple this problem, understand what
the
you
same you can
should
do with software
apply.
design.
Yes,
You
but
decouple
it's
the system.
yes, but
Mhm.
it's not so simple to measure if we talk about architecture design. When you have this algorithmic task, you have a result in the end. Your task is your code is working, task is solved. If we talk about software design, it can be very interesting and beautiful picture on a paper, but it will not work. Yes,
this is a conversation where you don't need to check the
yes,
end picture. You need to check how person think about it.
But
what's the pros and cons of his decision, like
yes,
how
but
he
if you
shares
have
this decision.
working solution,
Mhm.
it's easier to measure by
Mm.
another people.
Agree.
It can be discussable situation. So,
Mhm.
for example, we talk about software design,
Mhm.
and you have one vision, and I have another one,
Mhm.
and we have a contradictional visions. But it doesn't mean that you are not right. Correct?
In a I would say that in a software design, we still can have some final solution which will be better, like which will achieve all of the expectations, all of the acceptance criteria, and you still can measure it.
Yes, but you need to have some simple filter to filter people who is not potentially pass the
Agree,
architecture
but
design.
still, like this is not idea of AI engineers. I don't think in
Yes,
case of AI engineer we need to
have you
this.
applied to AI engineer role?
No,
probably, because
because
I haven't seen
I
such
s-
on the market.
This is what I want to mention. That for me, it's the most difficult part to start thinking not in a way to solve problem, but in a way to solve the process, to set up the process, and not just regular process, but AI process. I will tell you it next time.
And actually, if we come step back to issues that
Mhm.
produce AI, for example, so I had a conversation with, I would say, colleagues who now works in Amazon, and they have a small issue now with AI and with banking systems, who is their clients, because AI in, I would say, in 3% beats the KFC authentication. So somebody takes your picture from the Instagram, generate the video, and it will be agreed from the system and will provide you entrance to the bank account.
Yeah.
And yeah, so how to solve it?
I don't know. This is another question.
Yes, you and probably you need to create some very interesting engineering solution to prevent AI beats this or create a new process. And you cannot just ask AI,
But this is our future.
just cover this.
This is our future.
Yes,
This
and
is
this
where
is
we
why you
have
need
vector
engineering
attack.
mindset.
Yeah, potentially, yes.
Because AI cannot provide you solution for something which is not imagined yet.
Yeah.
Potentially, yes, for some small stuff, it can be generated something fresh, but I think for the problems that humanity still not faced with, it's very hard to wait from AI that it will be fixed immediately without any your input. So yeah.
And now it's your turn, guys. Write comments.
To close this podcast, this is your turn.
Stop it!
It's already the discussion of hiring.
Already in the burnout. Yeah, guys, write comments, like this video, subscribe on our channel. Next time.
What is the name of this rubric?
Prompt happens.
Nice.
You didn't expect it?
Yeah, I said you forget.
For me, it's another name we should choose, like AI updates or something.
One
like
more?
that, but not in prompt. Prompt happens. What does it? Prompt happens.
We discussed half time about hiring process in big tech.
Prompt happens. Yeah, okay. Yeah, guys. See you next time. Potentially, it will be someone else, but in the same topic with the same idea. See you.
Just maybe we will be banned. That's why another person will come.
Banned from
Have a
company.
good day.
Yeah, guys. Have a good day.